Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting problem on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, Wi-Fi connectivity is essential for communication applications like messaging, video calls, and social media. Fixing Wi-Fi issues ensure that you can stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that you can scroll down and select General Management option. Well, so now scroll a little bit, then choose Reset option. After that, select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings option. Then here will appear the following attention. This will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and this can't be undone. Okay, so now simply press this option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting problem on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.